Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's song is on the ukulele, so let's get started. Alright, so for this song we're just going to use 4 chords. Very easy. First chord is a D minor. And the second chord, you can actually just do open strings. It's the A minor 7, or you can use A minor. Either way. Next chord is going to be a C, and then lastly G. So D minor, A minor, or A minor 7, and then C and G. Very easy strum pattern today. We're going to use just down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down. So let's try this out with the chords. Play it a few times at a slow rate, and then we'll obviously play a little faster. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so that is the strum pattern using the chords. Now if you go a little faster, try to match the song. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That is how you play the song. Now these chords actually, you can translate it to guitar if you guys are playing it, or if you guys want to check out my guitar tutorial, you guys can check that out too. So thanks again guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and check out my new free ukulele course. You can check out the links down below to get that. Alright, see you guys in the next video.